Hello, and welcome to this video about CNC milling. In this video, we will be discussing what CNC milling is, how it works, and its applications. CNC milling is a process of cutting and shaping materials using a cutting tool that is powered by a computer. This cutting tool moves in a pre-programmed path, which allows for precise and accurate cuts. CNC milling is commonly used in the manufacturing industry to produce complex shapes and designs in a variety of materials such as metal, wood, and plastic. One of the main advantages of CNC milling is its ability to produce high-quality finished products in a short amount of time. Unlike traditional handmade methods, CNC milling allows for the production of complex shapes and designs with a high degree of accuracy and consistency. CNC milling is also used in various industries such as aerospace, medical, and electronics. In the aerospace industry, CNC milling is used to produce precision parts for engines, wings, and other aircraft components. In the medical industry, CNC milling is used to produce prosthetics, medical devices, and surgeries. In the electronics industry, CNC milling is used to produce electronic components and packaging. In conclusion, CNC milling is a powerful and versatile process that is used in various industries to produce high-quality finished products. With its ability to produce complex shapes and designs with precision and accuracy, CNC milling is an essential tool in modern manufacturing. Thank you for watching this video about CNC milling.
Get instant quotes on CNC machining, molding, casting, stamping, 3D printing, and more at www.findtop.com.